Hey guys, Chuck Schumann, Oxmoor Toyota. We got the 2018 Camrys here. Great new updates for this vehicle, one of the cornerstones of the Toyota brand. And one of the things we're most excited about with the Toyota Camry, the 2018, it includes our Entune 3.0 system. Now Entune's our radio head unit, and they've got some really cool updates and features that they've included in this. And it's only available right now on the Camry, so we're going to talk a little bit more about that, show you, some of the features and things that it does. Entune Audio 3.0. So Entune comes in 3 different levels. It comes in either Entune Audio Plus, or Entune Audio Premium. And so 3 different levels available. And for the first time, you can have navigation on every single trim in the 2018 Camry thanks to Entune 3.0. So the Entune Audio, you'll get AM, FM, Bluetooth, 7-inch touchscreen. You'll also have voice recognition, voice training, so you can talk to the car, Siri's eyes free, and even weather updated there when your phone is paired to the car. Entune Audio Plus includes all the features of Entune Audio, but you also get a subscription to XM Radio, which includes cache radio, allowing you to pause live radio. You also get the Connect services, so you get Service Connect, which connects right to your dealership, SOS Connect, which connects you to emergency services, Remote Connect, which is an app on your phone allowing you to talk to your car, and you also get Wi-Fi Connect embedded here in the app suite, so you can have Wi-Fi hotspot in your vehicle. Entune 3.0 Premium Audio comes with all the features of Entune Audio Plus, but you also get embedded dynamic navigation, dynamic point of interest search, dynamic voice recognition, and you also get Destination Search Assistance Connect as well. And so that all comes available on either the XLE or the XSE, that's a V6, which is available there. Also includes JBL speakers with Clarify. Okay, so Entune Audio, in the Plus and Premium, you have available the connected services. Now, we mentioned those earlier, but one of them is the SOS connected service. So if you look up here, it's available as a button. And so this actually, if you push that, connects you to emergency services. If you have some sort of emergency, you need the police, EMS, fire, it will connect to the emergency services. This will also alert the authorities if your car is in a wreck. And then if the car is stolen, you can contact the SOS department, and they can actually track your vehicle. So it's part of the connected services available in Entune Audio Plus and Audio Premium. Okay, so Service Connect, available on Entune Plus and Entune Premium 3.0, is a feature that will contact your service department at the dealership of your choice when your car needs maintenance. So when your oil change is due, you'll get a notification from Service Connect, which will also contact your dealership so they can schedule an appointment, get you in and out quickly. One of the more exciting features on the Entune 3.0 connected services is the Remote Connect. It's available on an app that you download on your phone. And from Remote Connect, you can actually start your engine. You can lock and unlock your car from any distance. You have a vehicle finder, which will actually locate your car. You can check vehicle status as far as if the windows are rolled down, if the car is unlocked, what the fuel level is in your vehicle. And you also have a guest driver option. So from that, you can set different things for like a valet, for a family, friend, somebody that's driving your car when you're not in it. You can set speed limits, you can set distance, you can set curfews on it. All kinds of really cool features keep you completely connected with your car right from your phone. So another connected service available on Entune Audio 3.0 in the Plus and the Premium is Wi-Fi Connect, which is really exciting. It's a Toyota first. And so when you go into your app screen here, all of your apps available in the Entune app suite, and then down there you also see the Wi-Fi sign up. So when you purchase your new Camry and you get your phone paired and you download the apps, you can set up Wi-Fi and actually have a Wi-Fi hotspot in your car that your phone can pair to. So we're really excited about Entune 3.0 and all the new services that it has, especially those connected services on the Plus and the Premium, where you get Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, SOS, and Service Connect as well, all brand new to our system. And at this point, you get navigation in every trim level, which we've never had before. So we're really excited about it. Come out to Oxmoor Toyota, test drive a new Camry today.